Hello and welcome to the College Bound Scholarship Missing Information Letter tutorial. When an application is created for a student, a Missing Information Letter, or MIL, is created. This form needs to be completed and returned to the College Bound office for processing. What makes an MIL complete? The eligibility criteria is indicated on the form, the student signature is provided, and the parent or guardian signature is provided. Here's an example of a Missing Information Letter for a middle school student. Here is page 1. You'll see here the required information is the eligibility criteria. Here is page 2. This is where the student and parent or guardian signs and dates the form. In 2019, the legislature updated eligibility for the College Bound Scholarship. This means a limited number of 9th grade students are now able to complete a College Bound application. This is an example of what this 9th grade Missing Information Letter looks like. Here you can see the required information for eligibility is listed on the top, and on the bottom there is a section for student information. This is important and crucial for us to have students complete this section to ensure that we have the most accurate and up-to-date contact information for the student. For page 2, it's required for the student and parent and guardian to sign. To return MILs to the College Bound office, first, make sure to review the fields and make sure they're all complete. Return the forms to the College Bound office by scanning and sending them through the secure portal messenger. You can send by fax or you can mail them to the office. Please allow 2 weeks for processing. We recommend using the secure messenger in the portal. It's the most secure and efficient way, and we can confirm receipt within 1 business day. This also allows for us to maintain a virtual paper trail. Please keep the original forms until you see in the portal that the application has been processed. To send a secure portal messenger, first you want to be logged into the portal and then type inbox in the search bar in the upper right-hand corner. Next, you want to click on the Create a New Secure Message to WASAC. From there, you want to insert a subject. We suggest MILs. Choose the scanned MIL file from your computer, then click OK, and then attach. Above the to line, click Send Message. When returning the MILs to our office via mail or fax, you can send them to the P.O. box listed here or send them to the fax number. We have a lot of resources available when you are processing and working to complete your MILs. First and foremost, we have our website, which has a ton of handouts, flyers, and resources. We also have frequently asked questions about the program itself, things that are helpful for you as the counselor. Then we have flyers that you can use and distribute to your students and their families. And of course, you can always reach the College Bound office with any questions. To reach us, you can send us an email at collegebound@wasac.wa.gov or give us a call at our main number, which is 888-535-0747, choosing option 1. Thank you.